Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bread Gulab Jamun. First, you will need to gather your ingredients, including about 8 to 10 slices of white bread, some milk, and sugar. Next, prepare a simple sugar syrup infused with the lovely aroma of green cardamom. Then, you'll form small, smooth balls from your bread dough. Finally, fry these delightful balls until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. To begin crafting your Gulab Jamun dough, carefully remove all the crusts from about 8 to 10 slices of white bread. Crumble these bread slices into very fine pieces in a clean mixing bowl. Now, gradually add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, a little at a time, mixing as you go. Gently knead the mixture until it forms a soft, pliable dough that is smooth and free of any lumps. Now, let's create the sweet syrup for your Gulab Jamuns. In a pot, combine 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water. Add 4 to 5 green cardamom pods to infuse the syrup with a wonderful aroma. Bring this mixture to a boil and let it simmer until the syrup becomes slightly sticky to the touch, but not too thick. For an extra touch, you can also include a few strands of saffron for a beautiful golden hue. For the final steps, heat oil or ghee in a deep pan over a medium flame. Carefully drop the small bread balls into the hot oil, frying them in small batches until they turn a beautiful golden brown on all sides. Once fried, remove them and drain any excess oil. Immediately transfer the warm Gulab Jamuns into the hot sugar syrup you prepared earlier. Let them soak for at least 30 minutes to absorb all that delicious sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.